Hey Chiuune, it's Rachel. What's up with Chiuune today? Guys, it's time to check out Ateez's comeback.
Yeah!
Guys, we all know that when a K-pop group has a comeback, it always just hits different. And seriously, like, most of you guys will know this, but if you are new to my channel, then the only song we have checked out from Ateez is Inception. That chorus, I'm in love.
What is that?
I'm dreaming a dream every night. It literally gets stuck in my head all the time, and I constantly sing it. And guys, this is their comeback called Fireworks. I'm the one. Honestly, I have no idea what to expect. Like, you guys have all confirmed with me when I said, like, I feel like Ateez has more of a darker vibe, because I loved the way the video was for Inception. The way it had all these dark colors, and it had such a rockish type of sound behind it, especially the I'm dreaming a dream every night. Like, it was just insane, guys. I cannot wait to see what this is about. You guys have been hyping this up so much in the comment section, so I have some high expectations. So normally we would check out the lyric video first and then the music video, but guys, as this is a comeback, you know what we gonna do. We gonna check out the music video twice. So first, we'll just watch the music video together and just enjoy it. And then second, we'll do a full review. Guys, I literally can't wait. Let's get it. So guys, just before we get stuck into this, I wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in. And today's shout out goes to all of you Ateenies. Guys, thank you all so much for letting me know in the comments section that this comeback came out. I am just so excited. And honestly, I welcome every single one of you to the Chiuune community. Thank you so much for joining my channel. And honestly, right guys, Fireworks, I'm the one. Let's get it. This is so exciting because I know you guys just discovered this too. Hey! Oh, yeah, love that. Oh my gosh, the way he was rocking that crop top. But guys, these vocals are beautiful. The way he just done that little riff, and I love the way the start sounded. It almost had quite an R&B vibe, and I love the little edit that they had on their voices. Okay, let's just start this again, guys. Oh yeah. I'm the one in my hey! Look at those drunk falls. Oh my gosh! Put the fire out, the world is ending. Yeah! What is that word? Bulnoria. Bulnoria. Oh my gosh, I did not know it was gonna pick up to this party beat. This is going off, guys. And that rock voice. What is that guy's name again? Because he's the one that does I'm dreaming a dream every night. Oh my gosh, the build up to this chorus was just insane. I wonder if like Ball Noria means I'm the one or fireworks. Like, let me know. The transitions though. Very dark sets that they have, don't they? I love this bit. Oh, the slow down. The whole town is red. They love fire. Yeah. Excuse me, vocals for days. Oh my god, but that switch up transition of the fire. Oh, that spin. The world is ending. Yeah! Oh my god, the way that they dance, guys. Bunoria, eh? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This was a comeback. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that we get to watch it again in a minute, guys. But for one, please tell me what that word means, but all I felt was this party vibe. Like, seriously, there was so much to take in because, you know, there was visuals for days and the outfits and the dancing. Like with the lyrics, I feel like it had like hidden messages in it, which I didn't fully understand, but the sort of vibe I was going for was they were saying to like not even put out the fire because the world is gonna end anyways. So, you know, that could be literally metaphoric to say like, you know, the world is going to end anyway, so there's no point even trying to put out the fire. Or they could be meaning it by something personal, like, you know, the fire inside you. If you have a fire inside you, don't put it out because, you know, one day the world is going to end, so do everything that you can to fulfill the fire inside you. I generally don't know on this one, guys, but I love that hidden illusion because a lot of songs you can just tell what it means straight away, but I love it when it's like a mystery and maybe you listen to it more times or you look at the music video more times or you just Google it and find out what everyone else says. But I just love that because it's just such a mystery and there's so much like interest behind it. But seriously, The beat at the start was this like R&B type of vibe, and then it went on to this crazy EDM, like, oh, and it just reminded me of how incredible they are as dancers. Oh my goodness, especially the last part of the music video. They were just going off. Like, guys, I really just want to watch this again, because this is why I love when we see comebacks, because we get to watch a music video twice. Because the first time round, I'm like trying to focus on the lyrics and the visuals and the dancing and everything. But this time, I'm just going to be watching the boys like a hawk. So let's get it. Right, guys, are you ready? Let's go. I'm loving these outfits at the start as well, like, oh. This like apocalyptic world behind them. I love that. I love this guy's voice so much. Oh, I love that. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but seriously, these like monster vibe moves are just hitting different. Let's go. Oh. They really hit those moves, man. It's a really nice way to break up the song, this bit. Did you hear that riff in the background? The ad-lib. Beautiful! I love how they slow it down in this bit. I love him. Oh, he's such a good dancer. I'm sorry, but just look how in sync that they are. This is incredible. Oh. Can't get enough of that move, guys. The way they start. always this end bit. Like there's always an end bit in K-pop. Like come through with that face piece. Bunoria, Bunoria. Oh my god. Okay, so first there, I'm in love was stuck in my head, and now we're gonna have this. Like, oh my gosh, for all I know with Ateez is they have some catchy ass beats. Like, especially that you guys told me that my intro literally sounds like one of their songs. Like, clearly we know a thing about good beats. But guys, this just felt so good. Like, although it had a very dark concept behind it, but I'm getting the sort of vibe that that is what Ateez is more like. Like, even with their Inception song, they were singing, I'm in love. But they were like dreaming a dream every night. They were reliving this nightmare constantly, and their reality almost felt like a nightmare. And in this now, they seemed like, you know, watching again, the whole world looked apocalyptic. Basically saying that the world is gonna end one day, so don't put out the fire inside you. Maybe, you know, if you want to get somewhere in life, then don't ever stop trying. I don't know, I was getting that sort of vibe, and it felt very empowering. And then the way that they were just like partying with this EDM crazy beat, like, do you know what I love as well is I heard so many different variations of voices. Like that Buldania was so low, and then their little R&B moment at the start, I loved that. Like, I love the sound of the voice there. And then they also had that rockish vibe coming up straight before the chorus, which was going off. And then they also had the beautiful singing voices and ad-libs. Oh my gosh, like noticing all the different vibes is amazing. And as I said, guys, the dancing, like these boys can dance for days, and the choreo was going off. Like, I literally can't get over the chorus dance, especially the way they did it at the end. Like starting off with the red outfits, oh my gosh. And that move, I love that. I could watch that on repeat. But honestly, like, I love the fact that one of them was wearing a crop top. Like, just because you're wearing a crop top doesn't mean you're feminine. It's a part of fashion. And the way that they, you know, express those feelings and show that you should be able to do, wear, speak however you like, as long as you're not hurting other people. If it makes you happy, then you gon' do it. And I feel like it's the vibe with this song too. Like, do what you want and keep that fire burning inside you. Seriously guys, what a comeback. Like, I've only heard one song of Ateez, and you know, you guys also told me that my intro sounds like one of their songs. So already I know that Ateez have some incredible beats, and they just go off so much in choreo. Like, I could watch them dance all day. Like, guys, have they done a live or like a dance practice for this yet? Because I would love to watch it. Honestly, I'm just so excited to get to know more of Ateez with you guys. Like, you have all been hyping them up for such a long time. I know why, guys, I know why. But anyways, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But anyways, tune in next time.